Do you hurt? Do your joints ache? Do you have creaky noises that your body makes that it didn't used to do? Is your sleep bad? Are you tired or fatigued? Oh, that's right, you're just getting older. Or are you? Is that all it is? Did you ever think that these symptoms are your body screaming for some TLC? Your body requires maintenance just like anything else of value. You are so much more valuable than your possessions. If you have swept symptoms like these under the carpet of simply aging, I encourage you to take them back out and look again. You may be suffering when you do not have to. Even if a health professional has said that it is aging, look again. No practitioner knows everything. Look again. I'll be doing a video on proper maintenance next Tuesday. Until then, let me know what symptom you have chalked up to aging that you might want to look at again. While you're in those comments, let me know if you have any particular topics you want me to talk about. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and share it with somebody you think might need to hear this. If you find this type of information valuable and wish to subscribe, do so. See you next Tuesday and have an amazing week.